Portovenere is a historic fishing town on the Italian Riviera in northern Italy, just south of Cinque Terre. This beautiful region is definitely worth a visit, and there are three main ways from La Spezia to Portovenere, traveling via car, bus or boat. Unfortunately, there is no railway from La Spezia to Portovenere. Instead, the train service bypasses town and goes straight to the Cinque Terre. Perhaps this is why Portovenere is frequently ignored on Cinque Terre itineraries. Portovenere is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located on the Gulf of Poets. Its lovely port is surrounded with colorful homes, and small medieval alleys lined with shops lead up the hill from the historic city gate to the castle. Stroll around the walled town and don't miss the little shop Bahaik, which sells excellent freshly produced basil-based sauce and related products like fresh pasta. Via Giovanni Capillini, the main street is a small passage surrounded by gelaterias, boutiques and gift stores. There are also a few low-key places such as La Bottega del Pesto, which serves fresh pasta with homemade pesto to go. A beautiful church may be seen at the promontory's tip. Byron's Cave is a rocky location that leads to the sea and is where the poet Lord Byron liked to swim. Every day ferries travel along the coast, giving passengers an opportunity to see one of the Mediterranean's most dramatic landscapes. By boat you may explore the three nearby islands of Palmaria, Tino and Tineto. If you wish to go hiking in the Cinque Terre, take the boat from Portovenere to Vernazza and then hike to Monte Rosso, from which you can take the ferry back to Portovenere. There is also a path from Portovenere to the Cinque Terre that takes around 5 hours to walk. The Waterside Promenade in Portovenere is where you'll find the most action during your visit. Starting at the beach, the waterfront spreads out in front of you, its tall, colorful buildings marking the abrupt transition between the sea and civilization. Portovenere, like any major Italian resort, is busier in the summer months, especially in July and August, when most European families are on vacation. Despite its tiny size, Portovenere has a variety of places of interest. It is rich in historical buildings that recreate the ambience of older times, and you can see them all in half a day. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.